Okay, so the next step is going to be to use our Caption 1 footage. And if you play this through, you'll see that towards the end, the letters actually disappear. These are simply cut out from a magazine and then placed on some green card. And then I put a light on, just a desk light, a desk lamp, to illuminate the card. And you'll see that the letters vanish, and that's simply because I blew them. I blew them from the side with just a puff, and all of the letters disappeared. So I'm going to set that as the out point, and then set the in point before they all vanish. Oh, did that wrong. That should be the in point. Okay. And now I'll place this onto the sequence. Now, one thing that I've forgotten to mention previously is that whenever I place one of these video clips onto the sequence, it also puts a little audio clip on there as well. Now that might be mute, there might be nothing recorded there because there'll be no microphone plugged in, but there's a chance that there could just be some background noise of you operating the camcorder. So to remove the audio, if I press Alt and click, it will just select the audio part of the clip alone, and then I can hit delete to delete that. So again, my video clip is going to completely obscure the video file. I'm just going to drag out that endpoint a little bit. Now, instead of using a luma key on this occasion, I don't want to remove the light or the dark parts of the image. I actually want to remove a particular colour, the green part of the image. So to create some transparency here, I'm going to use a different type of keying called a chroma key or a colour key. So if I search for key, there are so many colour effects that searching for colour probably won't find it, but here's our colour key. If I drag that over my Caption video clip, you'll see no transparency, and that's because I need to go into the effect controls and to specify which colour should be transparent. So I'm just going to use the eyedropper to click on the green part of the background image. It will appear to have done nothing because I have selected the green, but the green pixel that I clicked on might be subtly different to all of the neighbouring green pixels. So I'm going to adjust the colour tolerance here. Let me just expand that to slide this out to try and remove all of the green parts. So anything that's within a tolerance of 30 shades of green, or possibly even more, 40, 41, those green parts will be transparent. If we zoom in, you'll see that the perimeter of the letters still has a bit of a green edge, a green halo. Now I could increase the colour tolerance to affect that edge, but there's also an edge thin setting here. So if I increase the edge thin instead, what it will do is it will just kind of clip the boundary of those letters a touch. Okay, let's just try that up a little more. And there's also an edge feather, so that will soften the margins of those shapes a little. There still seems to be a bit of green going on here, so let's see how far we need to push that. There we go, that's not looking too bad. There's a tiny bit of green there, but this is probably going to be undetectable when I've scaled the text down. So what I'll do is I will go to the very top of my effects control panel and expand the motion, because here we've got a scale setting. Oh, I clicked that. Didn't mean to click on the little animation thing here. I just wanted to click on this number. Let's scale down my name. Oh, not too far. And then I'll just adjust the position. In fact, if I click on the motion word here, that gives me this little box that I can drag around. Okay. Now the final step, because I want the letters to blow onto the shot rather than blow off the shot, I'm just going to change the speed and duration of the clip. If I right click on it and go to speed duration, I can reverse the clip. Click OK. So now what should happen is the letters will blow into the shot and then cut away. There we go. I'm happy with that. So I can render that